Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss language and thought MCQs. This question will help you in TG TET and DSC also. So let's begin. Our first question is question number 3. Ordinary people recognize language only dash as a medium. And the answer is communication. Ordinary people recognize language only communication as a medium. Question 4. The English schedule of our constitution designate language as the main language of India. Correct option 22. The English schedule of our constitution 22 designate language as the main language of India. Question 5. When the subject matter is classified on the basis of the sentence, it is called phonetic classification, grammatical classification, lexical classification, semantic classification. And the correct option is grammatical classification. When the subject matter is classified on the basis of sentence, it is called grammatical classification. Question 6. Which of the following is most related to the first word of the child? Most related to the first word of the child. Options: abstract idea, concrete thinking, things, times, all of the above. And the correct option is concrete things. Concrete thing is most related to the first word of the child. Question 7. The multilingual character of Indian society should be seen. The multilingual character of Indian society should be seen as a resource for promotion of school life. As a resource for promotion of school life. Question 8. A child is able to break down the word cat into its constituent phenome C plus A plus T. Whose deep level does he demonstrate voice awareness? Voice awareness. Question 9. Who said it? Children are born with acquired language device. Who said it? Children are born with a acquired language device. None of the above. Skinner, Piaget, Vygotsky. And our correct option is none of the above. Children are born with acquired language device, said by Noam Chomsky. Question 10. Dash does not play an important role in children's language studies. Does not play an important role in children's language studies. Study rules for adult speech imitation. Study rules for adult speech imitation. Does not play an important role in children's language study. Question 11. Metalinguistic awareness. Options are ability to think and talk about language, ability to learn language, ability to write with other visual sign. And the correct option is ability to think and talk about language is a metalinguistic awareness. Question 12. When dialogue are grouped on the basis of sentence structure, then it is called grammar grouping. When dialogue are grouped on the basis of sentence structure, then it is called Grammar grouping. Question 13. How does a student learn the art of speaking? How does a student learn the art of speaking? And the correct option is by discussing the realities of life. By discussing the realities of life. Question 14. What quality does the teacher want to teach the student? What quality does the teacher want to teach to the student? And the correct option is developing the quality of observation. Developing the quality of observation. Question 15. What is a good way to read intelligible text? What is a good way to read intelligible text? Options are: pay attention to the word and structure used in the text, thorough examination of the text, develop emotional thinking, and examine and interpret the text and evaluate it. And our answer is D. Examine and interpret the text and evaluate it is a good way to read intelligible text. Question 16. Why is important to read grammar? Why is important to read grammar? Options: for accuracy, for fluency, for ability to read and write, for performing numerical tasks. And the correct option is for accuracy. Accuracy is important to read grammar. For accuracy is important to read grammar. Question 17. What does the picture help to explain? What does the picture help to explain? And the options are the skill of the artist, speaking skill, listening skill, writing skill. And the correct option is the skill of the artist. The skill of the artist. What does the picture help to explain? The skill of the artist. Question 18. First generation learners feel the most difficulty in. First generation learners feel the most difficulty in. Options are writing, worksheet, self-study, long answer type questions, learning a first language. And the correct option is learning a first language. First generation learners feel the most difficulty in learning a first language. Question 19. Understanding and using language enable children to relate the environment to their surrounding. Understanding and using language enable children to relate the environment to their surrounding. Question 20. Which type of teaching emphasize semantic context and not form and pattern in language learning? Communicative language teaching. Communicative language teaching type of teaching emphasize semantic context and not form and pattern in language learning. Question 21. A language which is primarily used for communication in our home, school and social environment is called first language. Question 22. Which of the following is most important for linguists? And the correct option is vocabulary and grammar. Vocabulary and grammar is most important for linguists. Question 23. A child develops his language at the age of dash, which is a combination of the above word and grammar of a language. Correct option is 4 years. A child develops his language at the age of 4 years, which is a combination of the above words and grammar of a language. Question 24. According to article dash, the Constitution of India, Hindi written in the script of Devanagari, is the official language of India. Correct option is 343. According to article 343, the Constitution of India, Hindi written in the script of Devanagari, is the official language of India. Question 25. Quick reading to get any information is called. Quick reading to get any information is called. Options are skimming, fast reading, scanning, silent reading. And the correct option is scanning. Quick reading to get any information is called scanning. Quick reading to get any information is called scanning. Thank you for watching.